क्लास 11th स्टूडेंट। बेटा चैप्टर अब आज स्टार्ट होगा ग्रेविटेशन। तो इसकी डिफिनीशन पे चलते हैं। एवरी बॉडी इन द यूनिवर्स अट्रैक्ट्स एवरी अदर बॉडी विद ए फोर्स कॉल्ड फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन। नाउ वी डिस्कस ग्रेविटी। Gravity is a special case of gravitation. It is the force of attraction between the earth and any object lying on or near its surface. Now, acceleration due to gravity. When a body falls freely towards the surface of the earth, its velocity continuously increases. The acceleration developed in its motion is called acceleration due to gravity. It is denoted by small g. It is a vector having direction toward the center of the earth, so it is called vector quantity. It does not depend on the mass, size and shape of the body. Near the surface of the earth, g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. This is the unit of acceleration. Acceleration is the unit of meter per second square. Okay, now we discuss weight of a body. Weight of a body is defined as the gravitational force with which a body is attracted toward the center of the earth. Weight of the body is defined as the gravitational force with which a body is attracted toward the center of the earth. If g is the acceleration due to gravity at a place when a body of mass m is attracted toward the center of the earth with a force equal to mg at that place. Hence, weight of a body is given by W is equal to mg. Now, Newton's law of gravitation. In 1987, Newton published the universal law of gravitation in his book Principia. This law can be stated as follows. Every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force which is directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. This force acts along the line joining the two particles. Here is mass m1 and here is mass m2, which is separated by a distance r. Mass m1 is attracted by mass m2 a force F and m2 is also attracted by a force F. According to definition of the Newton's, तो न्यूटन की definition के according F is directly proportional to multiplication of their masses m1 and m2 and F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. So now we consider the two bodies of mass m1 and m2 and separated by a distance r. According to law of gravitation, the force of attraction F between them is such that F is directly proportional to the mass m1 and m2 and F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance. Now combine these two equations. F is directly and inversely proportional to the m1 m2 upon r square. Now we remove the proportionality sign, that comes out to be capital G, which is the gravitational constant. Now we calculate the dimension of G. G is equal to Fr square. Now replace the term of G. G is equal to Fr square m1 and m2. The dimension of F is equal to MLT minus 2 and this R is the distance. The distance is G square. So now we denote L square. Mass m1 and m2 and so mass m and m. Here mass is the m square and solve this m की पावर -1 l की पावर 3 and t की पावर -2. SI यूनिट ऑफ g. तो देखिए फोर्स की यूनिट ऑफ फोर्स इज न्यूटन एंड डिस्टेंस इज मीटर स्क्वायर. मास इज टेकन इन kg. दैट कम्स आउट टू बी न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर kg की पावर -2. वैल्यू ऑफ g in SI यूनिट when calculated all term, then we find the 6.67 into 10 की पावर -11 न्यूटन मीटर स्क्वायर अपॉन kg स्क्वायर.